Here's something that a former physics and mathematics teacher comes up with periodically just for entertainment. I've got a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that has been carefully suspended with some thread. Got it hooked to a old metal shower curtain rod. Got a G5 on one side. Got a G4 on the other side. I know you see the D80 in the back. That's just hanging out there, just having a good time. Not part of the test. And then horizontally, I got a string going on either side to keep the paper from fluttering around. And for test machines, I've got a Bissell Power Force bagged, and I tested the hose, such as it's set up right there, for 65 CFM of airflow. And I've got a Kirby Centria 2 set in hose mode, and it is doing 121 CFM. Almost 2 to 1, but not quite. That's the best ratio I could get for this test at the moment. So let's see what this is going to do. Can you already guess? Okay, so I got a couple of toothpicks here, and they denote essentially like 0 inches, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches. And you'll see this piece of paper is kind of set up totally out in just the air of the room. And it's very, very sensitive. Just a light breath moves it all over the place. So essentially what we've rigged up is some kind of ridiculous anemometer, but it measures literally a huge area of the air. So if you see right here, there's a little line of light and of course the shadow on the other side. And watch this actually move as I test with 65 CFM and 121 CFM. And this is just goofy test number 163. Just something to do to have fun. All right, so let's start out with the Bissell. And we're at 65 CFM. Let's see how far it moves the piece of paper. And again, look down here at that line. All right, so we are about right here. So 65 CFM moves the paper up to about the 1 inch mark. Now let's turn on 121 CFM. Okay, so I hope that you saw that. We went from about the 1 inch toothpick to about the 2 inch toothpick. So imagine if you have a bunch of dirt contained in a volume of air, and you want to move that dirty air from point A to point B. So you have a choice. You can use something with low CFM, that's cubic feet per minute, low speed, and it will transfer the dirt, but it will go at a certain speed. Or you can have something with very high CFM, and it will transfer the dirt that's contained in the air much faster. So if you've ever seen a Baird meter, and I put this off to the side just so you can hopefully maybe zoom in and see this, it says you have to move the air in order to move the dirt. I put the Baird meter there as a reminder that once the dirt is actually mixed into the air, or a volume of air, the faster you actually move it, usually the better you're going to be able to clean, or if you don't clean better, you can clean faster because the dirty air is moving much quicker. So thanks for watching this ridiculously goofy test. Stay tuned for more. Until then, happy vacuuming.